Hey guys, just checking in with you. Hope everyone's doing well. It's going to be an interesting next few weeks for us. We definitely have a challenge in our class, being that we really need some of the materials for a majority of your groups in order to work on your capstone projects. So really what's going to be essential in moving forward, and what I'm going to task you in doing, is trying to set up Google Meetings with each other, along with sketches and everything else, to try to get what we can kind of figured out for your projects, so that when when the parts do come in for your projects, if they do, I know that Amazon is shutting down all orders, is what I read today, until who knows when, but they're only delivering medical supplies. So that's going to kind of put us in a burden here, in a rough place. So some of these things may not be delivered to us at all, and we'll have to kind of see, and we'll kind of do our best. We don't even know if we will technically be returning to school after spring break. I'm hopeful that hopefully we will be, but if that's not the case, then we'll have some other things planned, to try to see what we can do with this class. And I'm sorry that this is how our senior year has turned out for some of you. But in moving forward, like I said, I would like for you to meet with each other as best you can on a daily basis, and really kind of sketch out exactly the design, and start maybe, if you can, designing in like Tinkercad or whatever AutoCAD software, if you have a computer, is available to you, to kind of design your design and model any of the things that you need to build. And I'll do my best to make sure that I can conference with any groups that need my help during your time. My office hours for you guys are going to be from 1:30 to 2. That's when I'll have office hours for your class. If that time is inconvenient for you, please let me know, and we can schedule a different time that we can video conference. I think most of you can figure out how to video Google Chat, which is through Google Meets. That's what you're going to want to use to set those things up. But yeah, I am going to speak to some of our administrators with our situation right now, and speak to some other teachers that also have the same course, and see what they're doing to kind of deal with their situation. So we're going to take it day by day, and I'll have more information for you tomorrow on where we can go. But right now, it's more or less trying to get a really good plan in mind for your projects, so that when we order, and if and when we get back, we can kind of assemble those together fast and make it happen. And we'll do our best to try to do that from our spaces at home, but it may be that we don't get that opportunity to really finish. And if I do get things delivered, or there are things that are delivered for those that order, for those that still need to place some orders in on stuff, then maybe we can find a time for you to pick those up and take them home. And maybe you guys can meet in small groups with each other at each other's houses during the day, if that's the case. And hopefully someone has some tools if you need that to work on. But that's it. Please email me if you have more questions. And we'll kind of just go from here. And I'll have some stuff in Canvas for you guys to kind of turn in and post as we get some more ideas on where to go. Good luck, and Godspeed.